Angel Wings Senecio. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to introduce you to one of the most beautiful and unique indoor plants, also known as Angel Wings Senecio. This plant is loved for its silver and velvety leaves and can add a special touch of beauty to any corner of your home or garden. The beautiful plant velvet leaf senecio or angel wings senecio is a succulent. The beauty of this plant comes from its unique silver-white leaves. As it matures, angel wings becomes a drought-tolerant plant. This hardy plant thrives both outdoors and indoors. However, in colder regions, the plant should spend the winter indoors. The flowers of senecio are not particularly aesthetically pleasing, and you can remove them, if you prefer, to encourage further leaf growth. Angel wings senecio belongs to the Asteraceae family and is an evergreen shrub. The velvety leaves and unique color variations, combined with the rounded and compact shape of the foliage, give senecio a special beauty and make it quite a sight to behold. The plant's velvety texture comes from the dense, short hairs that cover its leaves. If you look closely at the leaf edges, you'll notice soft, fine serrations that can be enjoyable to touch. Angel wings senecio grows up to 40 cm in height and can spread to a similar width. Each leaf can reach up to 17 cm in length and 12 cm in width. This is a flowering plant that produces dense yellow flowers, but it is generally grown for its foliage. In other words, the flowers are not the main focus, and some people even remove the flowers to encourage better leaf growth. This plant is also deer resistant. How to care for angel wings senecio succulent. Watering. In its early stages, angel wings senecio requires consistent watering. However, once it has grown and passed its initial phase, it will only need regular watering during the dry months of the year. Make sure the soil dries out between watering sessions to prevent waterlogging and protect the roots from damage. Fertilizing velvet leaf. During the growing season, fertilize your senecio monthly. Choose a water-soluble fertilizer with moderate nitrogen levels, ideally between 150 ppm and 200 ppm. Light. Angel wings senecio loves full sunlight, but also prefers a bit of shade. To provide the right lighting, place it in a bright and cool location where it gets some shade during part of the day. Additionally, rotate the pot every now and then to ensure that all parts of the plant receive equal light. And temperature. As for temperature, the ideal range for angel wings senecio is 21-27 deg 70-81 def during the day and 13-18 deg C 55-65 def at night. Soil. The ideal soil for this plant is neutral to slightly acidic, with a pH level between 5.5 and 7.5. Angel wings senecio prefers sandy soil with good drainage, but you can also use potting soil or even chalky soil for this plant. Pruning and caring for velvet leaf. When angel wing senecio grows larger and taller, it may begin to bend. To maintain its appearance, it's necessary to prune it. Prune the plant in spring by cutting it back to a sturdy stem. For further care, keep in mind that in rainy, cold seasons, you should plant senecio in a pot and provide it with protection during the winter. While it is cold-resistant, senecio dislikes cold, wet soil. So make sure it doesn't get soaked by winter rain, and if the soil remains wet during the winter, cover it with enough mulch. Also, remember that maintaining adequate moisture, proper air circulation, and following a consistent care routine are essential for the survival of senecio. Young senecios need more frequent watering, but once they are established in the soil, they can take care of themselves. Propagating angel wing senecio. Angel wing senecio can be propagated through cuttings, seed planting, or division. When it comes to propagation methods, keep in mind that cuttings and division are faster ways to propagate senecio. However, if you plan to propagate this plant by seed, you need to keep the air warm and consistently moisten the seeds, especially during the germination process. For cuttings and division, make sure to perform them when the plant is in its early growth stages, typically in early spring or fall. After dividing or taking cuttings, plant them in soil with excellent drainage and rich nutrients. Also, remember that if you live in temperate regions, keep an eye on temperature changes during winter. Pests and diseases. Generally, few pests and diseases attack angel wing senecio. However, always check for the presence of snails and monitor the plant closely so that you can quickly identify and treat any pests or diseases if you notice any changes. If you're also in love with this beautiful plant or planning to add one to your plant collection, be sure to share your thoughts with us. And if you have any questions about caring for this plant, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thanks for staying with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on houseplants.